Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare your Celsius drink for the best experience. First, ensure your Celsius is thoroughly chilled, as this greatly enhances its flavor and refreshment. For an even colder beverage, pour it over a generous amount of ice in your favorite glass. A glass with a wide mouth can make sipping more comfortable and enjoyable. This simple step ensures you get the most out of your drink. To enhance your Celsius drink, consider adding a splash of your favorite fruit juice, such as orange or cranberry, to introduce a new flavor dimension. A fresh fruit garnish, like a lemon or lime slice, not only looks appealing, but also adds a subtle zest. For a lighter, bubbly alternative, try mixing your Celsius with an equal part of sparkling water. These simple additions can transform your drink. For more creative combinations, blend your Celsius with a handful of frozen fruit, like berries or mango, to create a delicious and energizing smoothie. You can also combine it with a cooled herbal tea for a unique flavor and a different kind of boost. Don't hesitate to experiment with a small dash of your favorite flavored syrup, such as vanilla or peach, to add a touch of sweetness. Remember to consume your Celsius drink responsibly, being mindful of its caffeine content and your personal tolerance. It's always a good idea to stay well hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water alongside your energy drinks. For more great tips and to check out some fantastic deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your customized Celsius drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.